The festival may be over and cleanup underway, but conversations about Railbird are far from over. There were several hiccups and many complaints after night one of that Lexington musical event. Josh Huddy created the Twitter account Railbird Lines while waiting more than an hour in line for water on Saturday. Well, it caught on and many guests started tweeting about their own experiences of waiting hours in line.
Overwhelming conversation in line is just how could they have not been prepared for this? Like, how do you get this part of it wrong? You know how many people you have, you know how many tickets are sold.
Railbird organizers said they made changes for day two, including allowing people to bring their own water and improvements to the concession operations. Many attendees did say day two went more smoothly.